The people you see here are the NEC members and the parliamentary leadership of the Jubilee party, the great party. We were here pursuant to a summon by the court number 1 by Justice Mwita. We complied. Unfortunately, the issue was heard virtually, and it ended. And just to tell you that you can see the entire NEC. Actually, out of 22, the majority are here, the leadership are here, and Jubilee continues. But just to add that Jubilee has left Azimio a long time ago, and I think whoever is still pushing to push us back to Azimio is going to hit a dead end. So we have left Azimio a long time ago. We are a parliamentary party. We'll continue to be a parliamentary party. We'll continue to chart our independent path as a political party, and that is where we are. Our party leader, acting party leader, remains the Honorable Sabina Chege, and she also doubles as a parliamentary whip, because for information, Jubilee has 28 members of parliament and an assembly, National Assembly, and 5 senators in the Senate and 1 member in Yala, totaling to 34 members of parliament. So we are a parliamentary party, and the case here revolves around challenging the Speaker's decision to declare Jubilee a parliamentary party. So we will not delve into the details, because that will be determined by the court. But suffice to say that Jubilee is completely out of Azimio coalition in every aspect. You can see even right now Baba is oscillating. Very soon even him will exit. So what is the worry? Thank you so much. Asanteni sana.
Na tukirika Kuria County ya Uasin Gishu kwa president